Everyone has $1,000 to start dropshipping, but still they have no idea, no knowledge. Even 95% people fail in dropshipping because they have only for two reasons. They don't know the strategy, the guidelines, how is to start and what is the secret. And number two is they have not enough experience. Okay, that's why they leave this platform and they lost a lot of money. Okay, so in this video I will show you and I will tell you exactly what the tips from dropshipping millionaires. They share the experience, the secrets, the lot of things though. So you must need to see this video if you want to succeed in dropshipping, if you don't want to fail. Okay, so let's start. The tips from dropshipping millionaire. A journey of 1,000 miles start with one step. Okay, it's Irene Dominguez, and he is $1 million dropshipper. He's very big dropshipper. So Irene Dominguez, once a marketing consultant, earned over 1 million within just 8 months of running his dropshipping business. Okay, so he started small with just a few products at first. He tested things here and there. A little by little he knew what customers really wanted. So that's why his secret is you have to be start everything normally. Okay, and very specifically and very few products. Okay, not, I see a lot of dropshipper choose a very random products. Okay, lot of products they choose, but at the end of the day they have not enough experience. Okay, and they are ultimately they fail. They don't know what they are selling. Okay, that's why this lesson is don't rush, prioritize learning and scale based on market response. Okay, so number two, dropshipping millionaire is, he's saying that find your niche and stick to it. So Andres Quing and Alexander Pekka, they are very famous dropshipper, and when dropshipping started on 2017-2018, they have they dominated the market. Okay, so let's say these guys love pets, so naturally they turned that passions into a thriving dropshipping business. Okay, selling unique pet accessories that pet owners truly adore. Okay, any advice for new buyers? Speak something you genuinely care about, understand your customers deeply, and nurture a community around your products. Passion isn't optional, it's the heart of your success. So lesson, a well defined niche attracts loyal customers. Okay, and constant sales. So number three is continuous learning is a key. Kevin Zhang. So Kevin Zhang made headlines by generating 20 million in sales. Oh my god, within his first year in dropshipping. Okay, so his secret and his advice is continuous learning is a key. You have to continuous learning. You have to go what is trending and what is update is coming in dropshipping. Okay, and then you just matching your experience with the upcoming trend. Okay, and number four is turn your passion into profit. Sebastian Giorgio, so he says that has always been into social media. He used to scroll for hours daily. One day he figured why not turn all the screen time into something that actually makes money. Okay, so he was wasted a lot of time. He just scrolled like by watching a lot of random things. Then he thought that why I cannot turn it into a make money online. Okay, so he started sharing his journey on YouTube, being real about his wins and lessons. People connected with him and his following grew fast. Okay, the personal brand, yes, it gives his dropshipping business a huge boost. Five is make your customers happy. Harry Coleman. Okay, this guy says that he also known as the best of ecom, says that two things that matter most are good products and great customer service. He focused on giving people real value, and that's what made his business stand out and bring in big profits. Okay, number six is have the best products. So Jared Goetsch, he is a prominent entrepreneur who generated millions through e-commerce stresses the importance of strategic product selection. His technique involves careful trend analysis using tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, and Facebook Insights to identify high potential products. Okay, so his tools is Google Trends, AliExpress, Facebook, Meta, that's etc. Don't be shy, get your name out there. Fred Lam made it big by getting really good at online ads, especially on Facebook. He didn't just run ads, though he took time to understand what makes people click. Wow, that's very, very good. So, how to grab their attention, how to keep improving based on what works. So, his tip: learn what your customers care about, makes ads there that speak to them, and keep tweaking things until they bring results. So effective marketing gives your stores reach and conversions. Okay, that's it. Number 8 is efficient customer support makes customers love you. So this guy says that one of the biggest keys to success is simple: talk to your customers, good support matters, answer their questions, be friendly, send them updates and special offers. If people feel taken care of, they will come back and they will spend even more next time. So start building those relationships from day one. Number 10 is automate where you can. So Anton Crowley says that Anton Crowley, founder of Dropship Lifestyle, emphasizes the importance of automating your dropshipping business. Okay, so you have to automate your business because now AI, others, lot of high technology is coming, so you have to automate your business. Otherwise your competitors will go fast and you will be behind. So guys, there's 10 dropshipping millionaire successful dropshippers says that how you can success, and that is very deeply advice. Just keep in mind and start dropshipping by these rules, guidelines, etc. And by the way, I am Nazmul, a dropshipping supplier agent since 5 years working, giving good service. If you need cheap products, fast shipping, others dropshipping service, just comment below. In the video description I have email, every contact details. You just comment, okay, and you just contact me, okay.